bro, this is it, this is it, this is my car, this is my SUV. I want this SUV. I just love everything about this SUV. I just want to buy this right now.
Bro, what's wrong with you? Didn't we just agree on a fuel-efficient sedan?
Sedan, that's so 2010, bro. SUV. Look, everyone is driving SUV. I want one, please.
But what's making you go from a sedan to a SUV?
It has sunroof, street credibility, and girls love this car.
Okay, pause. Let's talk just for 10 minutes. All right. If you're buying your first car in the US, chances are you're torn between what you want and what actually makes financial sense. And I get it, cars are emotional purchases. But there are two invisible forces steering your decision. One is social pressure, and second is affordability.
You forgot the third force, bro.
Why? Yeah, right. Everyone wants to look successful. And in the US, nothing screams, I made it, louder than an SUV with a heated seat and 22-inch wheel. But here is the truth. The average new car price in the US is over $48,000 and median household income is around $75,000. So that math doesn't really work.
But my friend Scott just bought a Tesla Cybertruck.
And Scott is also stressed about his mortgage. Don't confuse wealth with lifestyle. So the point is, SUV might turn heads, but that doesn't look good in any lighting. Now, let's talk about numbers. You should aim to spend no more than 10% of your monthly take-home pay on your car's total monthly cost, which includes car loan payment, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. Let's say you make $80,000 a year. After taxes, you take home around $60,000. That means $5,000 a month, and 10% of that is $500. So if your car is costing you anything more than that, probably it is too expensive. And by the way, how much will you be paying for this SUV per month?
Around 30% of my salary. But hey, I'll get a raise next year.
That's not a raise, that's a future stress in disguise. Too many people start spending as if the raise is already in the bank. But if life throws a curveball, that raise becomes a regret. So don't count the money till it is already in your bank account. Here is what most of the people get wrong. That sticker price. That is just your entry ticket. The real cost of owning a car starts after you drive it off the lot. Let's break it down. Number one would be the buying cost. That involves down payment, the loan interest, which is around 6.5% right now, DMV registration, and sales tax. And number two would be annual running cost of the car. The gas would cost you around $1,800 a year. Insurance, that will add another $1,600. Maintenance and repair, that would be around $600, even if you drive like a saint. And multiply that over 10 years, and your $45,000 car would cost you $75,000.
Wait, even if I paid off?
Yep. Unfortunately, cars depreciate, but costs don't. In fact, it will lose 50% of its value in the first 3 years. So ask yourself, do you actually need a big SUV? Do you have 5 kids or just one loud friend? Because 1 in 3 SUV buyers are single or have no kids, just like you. Number two, can I afford it without crossing the 10% of my monthly income? Have I checked the insurance cost? Because SUVs aren't cheap, bro. And do I have long commute or short errands? Dude, isn't your office just 1 mile from your apartment? Where are you gonna drive this every day?
Well, actually, I work from home 2 days.
So you're gonna drive this only 3 days a week?
No, I have a girlfriend and she loves long drives.
Well, then make sure you enjoy driving it, not just test driving, but actually living with it.
Are you sure you're still talking about SUV?
Yes, you fill the little mind. Most people buy cars emotionally and justify them logically.
Like you did with that giant 80-inch TV?
Fair, but the difference is I didn't take a loan to watch Netflix. You don't have to deprive yourself, but know why you are buying the car. If it is just to keep up with others, you'll always be chasing.
So what should I do? Buy a bicycle or something?
No. You should buy a car which fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your future. The rule says your car shouldn't cost you more than 30% of your annual salary if you have a modest lifestyle. So if you're making $80,000 a year, aim for a car which is under $24,000. If you're making $150,000 a year, keep it around $45,000. And then there is golden rule of car buying. The 20, 4, and 10 rule. 20% down payment upfront, not borrowed. 4-year loan max, so no stretching it to 6 or 7 years just to make it fit your budget. And your total car cost, which includes loan, gas, insurance, and that should be under 10% of your monthly income.
Bro, this is your worst pet talk ever.
So if you're car shopping, refer to this video and run your numbers and check whether your dream car fits into your real life.
Or just buy the SUV and blame inflation.
That too, but don't say I didn't warn you. Like and subscribe and drop your dream car in the comments below. Your finance friend Sushant, signing off.